Hi everyone and welcome to my channel again. Today we're going to make a very quick unboxing and review of this power bank. For those of you who have been watching my channel, I have tons of power banks, power stations, power houses, ones with AC outlets, ones without. But this one is very different than the rest of them, and I will tell you why in a second. I mean, you can tell here it's 83 watts. The 65 watt is amazing. I don't have any power bank right now that's DC and 65 watt. Of course, I have AC ones that are 350 watts, but I don't have any that are DC 65 watts. So this is very special because I can use this to charge my laptop. Sorry, I don't know why this is shaking. Because I can use this to charge my laptop and I can use it to charge my phone at the same time. The other ones don't have this feature. Okay, so now let's go to the unboxing itself. We have a plastic thing here. I believe this is like magnetic, it latches, and so you take it off. Here we are. It's very long, it's not very wide. Oh, and here's the back. We have the specifications. The model number is PDC3, and it tells you which output and which input, and what's the capacity of each one of them and all of that. As you can see, the capacity here is 30,000 milliamps or 108 watt hour. It's black and it's 600 grams, so that's just a little over half a kilogram or 1.323 pounds. And yeah, it's a little too heavy compared to the other power banks that I've seen. Anyway, so here we have a micro USB cable. I didn't really expect that, and I don't think I'll be needing that since it has a USB-C to USB-C here. And that's what you need to use to get the 65 watts. So we have that. It comes in the box. It's really nice. So you don't have to worry about finding one. It comes right in the box. Here we have the user manual. And again, it's really important with these kind of devices to read the user manual because this has a lot of power in it. It has a lot of batteries. It has a lot of liquids. So it's really important to just skim through this user manual. It's not very long. It could save you a day. And we have a happy card here. Okay, so here's the power bank itself. Let's get it out of this bag. There's nothing else in the box. That's it. As you can see, it's a little long compared to the other power banks we reviewed here and the other usual power banks. It's less wide, it's more long, more tall. And I really like it. It's different than the other ones. It just looks different. And it feels different. This is metallic. This part is plastic, but this part is metallic. I tried a magnet. It feels metallic, but I also tried the magnet on it. And this is metallic, but this is plastic, so they can have all these things here. This little part here is also plastic, but the main thing is metallic, which is really nice. It makes it a little too heavy, but I think it's fine given that this is 30,000 milliamps with a capacity of going up to 65 watt or 83 watts if you use two outputs here at the same time. We have a screen here that lets you know how fully charged this is. Now it's 89%. It's 1% per size, so this will go one by one or up one by one. So you always have an idea of what how full this is. When you're using the 65 watt or any fast charging, you will see a green arrow here, just letting you know how fast, whether it's on fast charging or not. Here we have the on and off button. This will turn off and on the screen basically, because to use it you just connect something here and you don't have to hit this to turn it on. It's going to be on once you connect anything here. But this will show you the screen regardless of whether you're connecting anything here or not. Here you can see we have a Type-C, and that's basically the only ones that you can use to get the 65 watt. Here you have micro USB, and that's going to be up to I think this is 18 watts. Yeah, this is 18 watts too. This is 65 watt. You can use both of them at the same time. This one is, I think this is 18 watts too. Yeah, this one has two power signs here. That goes up to 18 watts. And this one is only up to 10 watts. So you can use this on like 7.5 watt, 5 watt, 10 watt. That's the slowest one. This is a little bit faster, 18. The USB-C is the only one that's 65, so you have to use that. And you can charge this is for your laptop basically. You can also charge your phone with it, but I wouldn't recommend because it will have to adjust the wattage and you don't want to take chances. You're more safe using the USB or the micro USB. I wouldn't really use a micro USB. You just use one of these, basically this one to charge your phone and this one to charge a laptop or computer that allows fast charging with a USB or power delivery cable. So yeah, that's basically it. I've been using it for just a few days now. It's really nice. It charges my laptop about 1.5 or 2 times from 0 to 100, which is really cool. So it's like an external battery for my laptop. I appreciate here that they have the percentage and it's 1% precise, which is really cool. And yeah, it just feels different. It's a little too heavy. Again, it's over a pound. It's 1.320, almost 1.325 pounds. So it's a little too heavy, but also it's very nice. I would have appreciated if they attached a case here or something to carry it on. It doesn't have that, but it's not a big deal. It's solid, it's rough, it's rugged. So that's okay. I can just take it in my pocket. So the fact that it's less wide and more long makes it more portable. It's easier to hold in one hand like that. It's easier to put in a pocket, and so on. This is another power bank that's smaller but also more wide. And that, of course, that's only 18 watt. This is 65 watt. So anyways, this was just a quick unboxing and review for this. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and write to me in the comments. And I'll be happy to make a more detailed review and connect it to my laptop live on video and show you everything that I didn't show in this video. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.